In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have the open it up, please navigate here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver and click on the enter key button on your keyboard to be able to see a list of results. So first, you would be able to see this first one under support.hp.com, which is the official website for HP support. Click on this link, and the moment you've clicked on it, eventually you would be navigated to this new page where you can see the printer driver, which is the HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver. So here it will detect your operating system. If Windows 11 is not detected, click on this choose a different OS, click on this down arrow key, enter the version and go with Windows 11 and click on update to set it. Once done, you need to scroll down here and locate for this option called driver product installation software. Beside it, you can see there a down arrow key, click on it and it will show you here the result, which is basic drivers, which is the subcomponent of that. So click on this down arrow key and there you can see the basic driver. Click on this download here. Okay, click on it. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Okay, anyway, it will only take less than a minute to do so since it only contains 3.8 MB file size. So once you have downloaded it, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon, click on it, and there you can see the downloaded file. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Okay, so once you are here, you need to select the file that you have just downloaded. And then while selecting it, make a right click and click on the cut. So we just have to wait until a list this option would appear, go with this cut icon. And then once done, close the windows being opened. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and then click on the paste icon to move it here. So once you have successfully placed it to the desktop, let's move on to the extraction. So by that, we need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click here and then navigate to the WinRAR tool, use that, okay? So use it to extract it. So click on extract to and wait until a new file folder would be created. That would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Okay? So once you have extracted it, let's move on to the installation. So before we proceed, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more relevant tutorials like this. Okay? So here at the start, you need to make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, so here at the settings, you need to proceed here at the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. And once you are done, please locate for printers and scanners. And eventually on the side, you would be able to see an option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, please click on Add Manually. And this would appear. Go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So this part is very crucial. Okay, so it is very crucial. Cautious to select this USB port. The printer port. So again, please choose any of these three. But if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. Once you have selected the correct printer port, please click on Next here and then you need to go with Have Disk and click on Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, click on this one, and then scroll down and find for the extracted file. Double tap once you find it, and eventually you'll be able to see the driver. So by that, you need to click on As Open, click on OK to continue, and you need to locate for our printer driver, which is P1005. Once you've selected it, click on Next, and click on Next and we will now it will now start the installation. Okay, so please wait until this process would be finished. Okay, so once done, click on next, click on finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.